Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Brother Bragadesh V, grade 6B. Now I am going to do my bring from home activity. Paper cup rocket launcher. Let's start to do.
I love my father, 100%. I love my mother, 100%. I love my family, 100%. I love my school, 101%. I love my school, ACHARIYA. I love my school, ACHARIYA. I love my teacher, 100%. I love my classroom, 100%. My future starts here, 100%. So I love my school, 101%.
One life, one school.
Now my rocket launcher got ready. Let's launch the rocket. Thank you. Love you all. Happy greetings. I am Brother Bragadesh V, grade 6B. My bring from home activity paper cup rocket launcher. I have used some sticks, paper cup and rubber band to done this model. This model is based on Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is a equal and opposite reaction. When the stick is pushed or pulled against the stretched rubber band, when it releases, the elastic potential energy stored in the band pushes the stick out from the paper cup and makes the paper cup launch forward. I have learned how energy is stored and released. It teaches us about motion, force and energy conservation. It builds the scientific thinking and creativity. Thank you. Love you all.